Showtime! Happy Monday, July 13th, 2026. Beautiful spiritual brothers and sisters. This is the Earthing Doctor, also author of upcoming New York Times best-selling book about increasing your mind span, titled How to Die of Nothing, as well as the glyphosate guy, and lastly, time freedom, dream lifestyle, and passive residual income while you sleep as a pro network marketing coach. Danny Zen coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere and by the side of my South Florida condo with a very, very rare sunset video. By the way, block of the next 15 minutes or less so you can learn about one of the highest return on investments of your time, money, and effort in regards to having better sleep, greater health, energy, and hopefully longevity with a do-it-yourself grounding setup, okay? I was forced to get these two copper stake rod kits from Amazon. Each were $35 only, and they came with a 50-foot copper wire that's encased in this blue wire, as you see here. I ended up putting it to the side of my condo because I wanted it to be discreet, not have it coming just straight down here. So it came with this 24-inch copper stake rod. It's two pieces. You just screw it on. It's got a banana clip there, you see there. And then I just kind of let it go to the side of the building. I'm going to get some paint from my maintenance guy to color it the same as the side of the building so it's kind of camouflaged. But this has got to be one of the best sleep aids. So you'll be sleeping while grounded. For those that are not up to speed about the amazing benefits of what I call the other vitamin E or vitamin G, vitamin E for earthing or vitamin G for grounding, learn all about what's technically called bioelectromagnetism, more commonly known as earthing or grounding or magnetism, as taught by retired neurosurgeon Dr. Jack Kruse. By the way, if you've never heard of him and want to have real health insurance, learn what over 90% of doctors don't even know about, and even raise your IQ by 10 points or more. That's a lot of points, by the way. Even though 10 sounds small, it is a lot. Be sure to visit the links and the information on my convenient document. Everything on one document is tinyurl.com/the Doctor of the Future. Again, and the doctor spelled out again, T Tango, I, N as in Nancy, Y, url.com/the DOCTOR of the future. Or if that link doesn't work, visit tinyurl.com/disrupt big pharma. I'll have all these links in the show notes below, okay? So it's going to be very, very brief. By the way, you can learn more about bioelectromagnetism specifically, since those two links I gave you have a lot of other things, such as, how to protect yourself from the harms of blue light, man-made blue light, invisible, non-native, or man-made electromagnetic fields. But you can view the earthing material on my three-legged Stool of Quantum Biology e-store, also known as the Light Water Magnetism store, which will also have information about the benefits of getting full spectrum sunlight and how that's TINA, or there is no alternative, TINA, there is no alternative to the sun, as well as water or maximizing intracellular hydration, restructuring your water, remineralizing it, and raising the vibration of your water, okay? Even learn about nature's #1 natural toxin, and that's deuterium, and how to get deuterium depleted water or lower deuterium content water. So go to tinyurl.com/3-legged Stool of Quantum Biology, or tinyurl.com/light water magnetism store, all letters, okay? So yeah, just for around $70 or so, you can also have this set up if you happen to be located high up. So again, it's 50-foot copper cord. It has an alligator clip on the other end. And when I'm inside my condo unit, I'll have it attached to some various genuine earthing products, such as this. It's actually a car seat mat, but my other products got beat up, and I was forced to use this for now. So the alligator clip, I'll just clip it onto here. And for those that are skeptical, hopefully not cynical, if you want to, be sure this is cost effective. It's actually doing some good. There's a whole bunch of information on Earthing Institute. I think it's earthinginstitute.net or .org. Gaetan Chevalier is, I believe, his name. And I think he's probably mentioned, here you go, commentary by electrophysicist Gaetan Chevalier, PhD, somewhere in Europe, I believe. And you can also learn specifically more about bioelectromagnetism or earthing grounding at this link there, tinyurl.com/earthing101. Just very briefly, some of the effects of earthing or grounding. Besides needing to eat less food, because we will get our electrons, and since it's called the electron transport chain, how we produce energy, and not the fats, carbohydrates, and protein chain. If you want to learn again to need to eat up to 2/3 less food, when you max out on those three-legged stool of quantum biology, light, water, magnetism, just go to that link again, tinyurl.com/earthing101 for some genuine earthing products and to support me so I can record more videos. Just go to tinyurl.com/earthing store, or just apply my affiliate discount code HOWTODIEOFNOTHING when you check out at earthing.com. And with your order, you should get a free hard copy of their book, co-authored by Clint Ober, titled Earthing, okay? The most important earth health discovery ever. Absolute must. I look forward to helping a lot of you guys reduce stress, relax, counter some of your inflammation, have more energy, maybe even less brain fog, better quality, deeper, and maybe hopefully quantity of sleep. This is, by the way, is their ground therapy patches I sometimes use if I'm using the computer. And I'll also have my alligator clip clipped onto this as well, okay? This is their tester to make sure that your products are actually grounded. Usually comes with some other kits. And this is like an outlet splitter. You can attach more than one earthing device or other devices, earthing products. And then most of the kits also come with an outlet checker, so you make sure you don't have any improper wiring or errors, which could be dangerous, okay, maybe even cause a fire. So make sure that you have, I believe it's it should be 2 yellows on the right and white on the third one, okay? So, and again, these are ground therapy patches. I believe some of the Tour de France elite bicyclist teams do this, during their breaks or when they're sleeping for sure. And so, very, very simple, guys, okay? I'm gonna do a part 4 showing my setup in where I sleep in my quote-unquote bedroom, which is actually my walk-in closet. If you want to be able to have more, the money to be able to afford this stuff or the time to sleep more, be sure, as always, to print out a copy of my How to Own Your Life document, a 3-step simple system, but not easy, so you can live the life of your dreams, stop trading precious time for money, build your own dreams versus somebody else's, have a business that you own instead of it owning you, and have leverage by earning possible passive and or residual income while you sleep. Just go to either tinyurl.com/I want freedom now or tinyurl.com/more hammock time. Okay, that's more HAMMOCK time. This is going to my glyphosate and GMO Guy Brighteon video channel, because glyphosate, the active ingredient Roundup herbicide, the world's most heavily sprayed herbicide on the planet, can get you stuck in fight or flight mode, activating the sympathetic nervous system. So to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, you definitely need to do more grounding. If you're not willing and or able to get your bare skin on the ground, then you can do a setup like that at my do-it-yourself grounding setup, okay? Anyways, if you have trouble accessing any of those many documents on cloud storage, or to report any broken links, just leave me a voicemail at any of my numbers here with your full name, best email address, and a good contact number so I can make sure follow up that you got access. Just leave it at the primary number there, 786-441-2727. Again, that's 786-441-2727. Or my cell phone that you see there, although I do not text, that's 305-297-9360. If you're outside the country, you can call me at my toll-free line at 1-800-250-8975. Again, 1-800-250-8975. If you happen to place an order for the earthing products, or even something like the MagneticoSleep mattress that Dr. Jack Kruse talks a lot about, and myself as well, this is probably easily one of the top 10, if not top 5, or even 3 wellness, sleep promoting, immune boosting, and longevity tools of all time, since it can help to thin your blood or not make it so clumping, as you can see here, especially after we use electronic devices. So it's more free flowing, And this is my beat up MagneticoSleep brochure. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate with them. I currently have their middle strength, which is provides a 10 Gauss magnetic field, the core single sleep for $1,100. I plan to get their super sleep system, which I recommend for virtually everybody, even though if you're not over 55 years old, because of the Earth's weakening magnetic field. Again, get the super sleep system since it provides a 20 Gauss magnetic field, approximately, what is that, 40 times what the Earth's currently is. I think it's at half a Gauss or so, maybe even less. I'm gonna get the double-sized super sleep at $2,900 as a token of my appreciation for you all being a loyal listener and or subscriber to my one or more channels. Enter my discount code Danny, D-A-N-N-Y, when you check out at MagneticoSleep.com. I believe they use neodymium elements or something like that. And they even have a wonderful 6-month satisfaction guarantee. You have to use it for more than 5 months to take advantage of this. They probably have close to a maybe a almost 0% return rate as far as I'm concerned, maybe less than 0.1%, I'm guessing. But there is a 10% restocking fee. For whatever reason, you're not totally blown away and have an amazing sleep, okay? You can also go to my shortened MagneticoSleep affiliate discount link, which will provide you a whopping 15% discount, and that's tinyurl.com/MagneticoSleep. Absolute one of the best investments you can make in your health, sure. There are a couple, I think at least 1 or 2 contraindications. Anybody with a implanted defibrillator or pacemaker, you cannot use this, okay? Other than that, pretty much everyone can. If you happen to be pregnant or nursing, just check in with your licensed healthcare professional to be sure that you're on the safe side, okay? And I'm looking for the link to my online brochure. You can actually learn more by visiting. By the way, these are some of the conditions they may alleviate or assist with. By the way, none of the information in this video is intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or mitigate, treat any disease or health condition, okay? And it's not just for adults, but for children, kids with these various conditions that you see there as well. Okay, so anyways, thank you for your kind time and attention, everybody. And I'm trying to think if I missed anything. To get a copy of my potentially health and life-saving document, e-guide titled Glyphosate Testing, Exposure Prevention, and Detoxing, be sure to either visit tinyurl.com/detoxing roundup or detox roundup 101 or avoid roundup to get that, okay? And as always, be sure to watch videos on my glyphosate and GMO guide brought to you on video channel, because the active ingredient Roundup herbicide may be the cause of your physical and or mental psychological symptom, or even those affecting your children, parents, and or furry little friends or pets, okay guys? Anyways, take care, and be sure to get a copy of my amazing, potentially worth millions of dollars e-guide, since that's how much you could earn as a high-performing salesperson, CEO of a Fortune 500 company, or just a small business owner, or an Olympic athlete, a pro athlete. It's my How I Solve My Sleep Problems, 30 Tips to Fall Asleep, Stay Asleep, and Wake Up Feeling Totally Refreshed e-guide, currently being revised. So don't go to this link there, but go to tinyurl.com/How I Solve My Sleep Problems, or bit.ly/How I Solve My Sleep Problems. If those 2 links don't work, you can also visit tinyurl.com/Stop Counting Sheep, as you see there, okay? Anyways, take care, everybody. Again, this is the Earthing Doctor and an Earthing affiliate, Danny Zen, out. By the way, the systemic benefits is in the thumbnail image. I know it might be hard to see, but somewhere on that Earthing for Dummies resource guide, you'll see the full infographic with all of the benefits, okay? And so, anyways, take care, everybody, and I look forward to helping you have sweet dreams, less information, feel more relaxed, reduce stress, and a whole bunch of other things, okay? Take care, everyone, and be well. I look forward to, by the way, since I no longer check emails regularly, if you happen to place an order and or enroll my team on my one or more than a handful of part-time home-based big business system opportunities that are listed towards that the bottom of that How to Own Your Life document, be sure to forward me a copy of your order and or enrollment confirmation email so that I can ensure your order ships out ASAP and or that you get off to a fast start. and send that to my primary email, my alma mater, which is dct3@cornell.edu. Again, that's D Delta C Charlie T Tango the number 3 at cornell.edu. You can also CC How to Die of Nothing at protonmail.com, as well as my How to Die of Nothing at gmail.com, which is forwards to my Cornell address. Okay, everybody. Anyways, take care and be well.